Another Pamana project has been inaugurated in a once conflict-affected area in the Cordilleras. Let's have the details of this report from Jonathan Llanes.
The national government's Peace and Development Framework and Empowering Conflict-Affected Areas in the country saw the Abra and Benguet as recipients of infrastructure and livelihood projects for this year. Peace Process Advisor Secretary Teresita Deles, who led the inauguration of the 1.4-kilometer Madago-Kasagudan Farm-to-Market Road and interaction with rebel attorneys turned forest guards, gave high regard to the accomplishment of the development projects.
Dito, actually mabilis yung mga pagtatapos sila, tapos nakita naman natin yung kalsada, no? We're very well constructed, and ang sinasabi nga sa atin, kaya pinili itong puntahan dahil dito yung dama ng mga tao na first time nagkaroon ng ganitong project ng gobyerno, and that it will be very important na in making the connection between the sitio and
Deles said Pamana follows a convergence strategy to close the gaps in development and bring progress to areas, particularly the once conflict-affected areas of Abra and Benguet, where they are needed the most.
And I'm happy with the program. Yung kanina, it was very transparent. Yung engineer na kung may tanong kayo, my office is open, you will see all the figures, how much this was spent. And I think klaro naman that the money that was allotted for the road, that the kind of road that we passed, certainly alam natin lahat ng Pamana money went to the road.
The Secretary commended the project implementation that seeks to strengthen peace initiatives of the government by helping the once conflict-identified area to be resilient communities.
And meron rin naman, Apayao is also doing well, and Abra. And actually lahat meron naman ng na-accomplish. Pero considering siguro in terms of percentage, kasi dito konti ang communities, no? Kumpara mo dun sa, kasi talaga namang Abra, talaga namang mas naging lugar yan. So siguro in terms of percentage of the project, mabilis siya, but I will need to be able to check whether talagang siya yung pinakamabilis. But considering the number of projects that it got, it's doing very well in terms of accomplishment.
Track to peace negotiations, Pamana ensures that communities benefit from improved delivery of basic social services served by responsive, transparent, and accountable government.
By and large, Pamana, and what I'm hearing from the governors, is that they feel that Pamana has brought in unprecedented developments and gains in quite a quick way.
From the city of Baguio and for the People's Television, Jonathan Llanes.